Good morning, children. Hope you are okay. Before I start another lesson, first please listen carefully. You have to do project work, children. After slip test, you have to do project work. That is in your activity book. Where you will do? You will do it in activity book. Okay? What you will do? Draw or stick picture of forest and write few lines about it. You have to draw or stick, anything you can do. If you are doing drawing, you have to do color also. Draw or stick picture and write about the forest. What you write about the forest? Introduction of the forest. We have already learned in our green cover. But you have to write about the forest, okay, and their uses, how it is important. You have to write your own, okay. Write few lines, okay. Write neatly so that you will get the marks. Right, good. Children, write 18-2-2021 project work. Draw or stick picture of forest and write few lines about it. Please write in activity book, where you are having big book, no, activity book. There you have to write. Don't write in paper, children. You understood, no? Good, children. All the best. Good morning, children. Hope you all are okay. Fine. Now, we will continue with our work. Now, this lesson, that is S3, I will be going to do 2 videos. Children, please listen properly. 2 videos. I will be doing 2 videos. Okay? Now, this is first part. Same lesson, first part, but 2 videos. Now previously we have learnt about the vehicles on the road, that is road transport. Now in that vehicles, how it is useful, we have learnt about Kacha road, Pakka road, highways. Okay, now we will be going to learn about animal transport, S3, animal transport. Here we are describing the places and the different ways in which animals are used for transport. Children, in early days, what we used to use? Animals only, right? I think so. You must be remembering 3rd class. In that, one story was there. One boy used to write. He was very tired. And because he was tired to walk a long walk, so the parents made him to sit on the cow, and like that way animal has been used, and also donkeys are used, right? Animal transport. Camel carrying people and things in desert. Horse for carrying people for fun. Carries beaches, sightseeing also. And for other uses also. The policemen also used to use for horses, right? Then mules, carry people and things. In steep road in mountains, steep mountains are there. So you are very, very slopey hills. For that also we use. Then bullock cart carrying people or things. You will see in villages. Right, you must be knowing about it. Now few points I will explain you more. Please listen. These animals are used to carry things and people across desert, hills and villages. These are land animals and are used as road transport. They use for road transport, children. Animals like camels are also needed in desert, while yaks are used only in the hills and mountains. Bullocks are largely used in villages. Just now I explained you, same thing I am explaining you. Animal transport does not use engines or fuels like petrol or diesel, which motor vehicles use. They are not as fast as motor vehicles, but they are not fast, children. They are slow. Both carry people and things from one place to another. Okay. Now take out your reader, children. Take out your reader, page number 144. Thousands of years ago, when humans had not invented the wheels, people rode on animals to move from one place to another. Now, with so many vehicles that have wheels, people do not ride on animals as much as they did thousands of years ago. People, however, in some places, animals are still used to carry people and things. Page number 145, you can see this, how they are doing elephant ride. Now, many people use animals for transport in deserts, hills, forests and villages. Camels are used in desert, while yaks or mules are used in hills and mountains where the roads are not fit for cars or buses. Bullock carts are mainly used to carry goods and people in villages. Horses pull carriages that carry people. Sometimes people ride on elephants to travel through forest or just for fun. Take out your workbook, children. Page number 37, S3. Question 1. Read the situation and answer the question. A. You are in the Thar desert and Rajasthan and want to travel across the desert. What vehicle will you choose and why? Which vehicle you will use, children? Camel, right. I will choose a camel because only camels can travel in a desert. Unlike other vehicles. B. You want to travel through the mountain range in Himachal Pradesh. The path is steep, rocky and narrow. What vehicle will you choose and why? I will choose a horse or a jeep because a horse can travel on mountain and a jeep is strong enough to cross rocky paths. Now C. You are visiting Mumbai. You want to see different parts of the city. What will you choose? A horse carriage, tanga or a bus and why? I will choose a tanga because it is open and I can see the city properly and have fun. D. You are in a village. There are no cars, auto rickshaws or buses. What vehicle will you choose to travel across the village and why? I will choose the bullock cart because only bullock carts can be found in a villages. Please underline bullock cart, jeep. One time I'll show you children, please see. Is it okay children? Right. Now children, in this children workbook, this is first page children, that is first video 37, same lesson page 38 also I will explain you, okay, that is second video. Don't get confused, this is one lesson only but two videos I am making to explain you, right? Please see the board and you can read children. Okay, second video will be ready.